and then we create also and generate more revenue for to this country.
Maloyo Jodak alfaburu ma Ikolomani kwedo kanga majaket mwandu mono okao mar darogi lopgi mondo oket kar kunyo mula kotelegi kod jaod bura Bernard Shinali gidwaro ni kambino ochung chenrogi magitimo e gwengego ikinde mane giromo kod jotend loch nanga makono gimedo ni ok gibiyie kod wach mar darogi lobno mosebedo anyolagi kuom higni modhuro.
Duve no shirukuita
iniri to holitinho.
This is a whole location. It is a whole location, about 8,000 homes that will go away. It is a whole location. We have 3 assistant chiefs, we have 2 chiefs. Na hawa watu wote inatakikana waende. And as somebody said, we don't know where we shall go.
Serikali ambao ipo sasa ambayo sisi tunahudumia ina utaratibu na hatufanyi mambo kwa kiolela. Tunaelewana mzuri. Kwa hivyo tutazingatia mambo ambayo mmesema, tuongee kwa utaratibu ili masuala ambayo hayakuzingatiwa yafanywe nini? Yashughulikiwe.
We are against, especially Bernard Masaka Shinali. I am against any idea of mining here and taking it to Ramula for refining or for whatever purpose. It must be done within Ikolomani. We have nothing against Shanda, but bring us the owners of Shanda here. Bring us the owners of Shanda here. They are the only people we shall talk to. From today, your activities of drilling, suspend them.